welcome back to our news. This is FM Show. We are back with another video that has been hitting headlines regarding the president's Mount Kenya visitation that started on today, that is the 1st of April 2025. As we currently know that the President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Samoei Ruto, is currently touring the Mount Kenya region, which he will be there for the 5-day. It's a 5-day tour that will be happening in the Mount Kenya region, and the President today went to Laikipia. Some people, or many of us, end up perceived a certain thinking that the President will not receive a heavy welcome since he outsent the then Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua. So we waited for the Gikuyu people, the countrymen, to stand with one of their own and refused to welcome His Excellency President William Ruto in the Mount Kenya region. But to our surprise, millions and millions of people have answered the call of the President to come and listen to what the President has been telling them. So the President today, that is on Tuesday, April 1, he began his highly anticipated tour of the Mount Kenya region. In Laikipia County, hundreds of residents, including traditional dancers, lined up to welcome the President. At some point, Ruto and Deputy President Kithure Kindiki joined in dressed in traditional attire for a dance. So the President has been welcomed, and he has been welcomed good in the Mount Kenya region, with all those that the people will not answer to his call. But to our surprise, people have really turned up in thousands and in big numbers to welcome the President in the region, as he is commissioning the project and he is launching the project that he has been shouting over and over again that he has been doing in his government. So President William Ruto has officially kicked off his 5-day development tour of the Mount Kenya region. On Tuesday, April, the President started his Mount Kenya tour by reopening the Garachi Primary School and 8 other schools that were rehabilitated by the Kenya Defence Forces after being vandalized by verdict. After his fallout with former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, Ruto was expected to receive a cold reception from the Mount Kenya residents. However, the head of state received a heroic welcome, with hundreds of residents standing up for his rallies. There was excitement and jubilation as residents lined up on the roads to receive Ruto and his team. In a video shared by Ruto on his Facebook page, hundreds of women dressed in traditional attire are seen dancing jubilation as they waited for the President. On arrival, Ruto and his deputy Kithure Kindiki joined the traditional dancers and joyously danced to the music, a clear sign that the Mount Kenya region still supports the Kenya Kwanza administration. Do you think, will they support the Kenya Kwanza administration? Really? No. These are the paid people. You remember former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua has been speaking and saying that watu wanaenda kuletewa pesa na mangunia, and he went ahead and even advised people that when they take this money, they should not take this money home and mix with their heel hand money or the sweat hand money, because this money is doomed. It's corrupt money. So people have been paid. These women have been paid to come and jump for the President, jubilate all they can, sing, dance, and move to the rhythm. I think President has really poured money. The President of the Republic of Kenya, Mheshimiwa William Ruto, we all know him. Ikifika ni mahali ya kumwaga pesa. Huyu jamaa bwana, he goes an extra mile. The President is somebody who can buy out your wife with money, and you give him your wife and your children, because he can speak of crazy figures. This guy can give you the world in a paper. Huyu jamaa anaweza kuandikia a check of $1 million just so that you can say Ruto tosha. This is guy who is really drunk with power. This guy, he likes power and he wants power. And believe you me, President Ruto will do everything it takes he will buy everybody, and he will do everything it takes to make sure that people believe that still he has his support in the Mount Kenya region, because the Mount Kenya region tunajijua, These are guys, ukiwafanyia the bad things, they can ghost you in a second. These guys, they have a saying that you can rent a Gikuyu but you cannot buy one. So these guys, they have been rented by William Ruto, and they know what William Ruto is capable of, and they will not allow William Ruto to buy them. So the president today was received with an heroic welcome in Laikipia County. Let's wait and see. Atafika, we know, like in countries like in Meru, there is nothing to launch because the president has really done nothing. Apart from impeaching the then Governor Kawira Mwangaza, there is nothing at all, nothing tangible that the president had done for the people of Meru or Tharaka that he is going to launch. We are waiting to see what will the president do. What will he launch? What is his agenda? What will be his wants? Tungoje tuone kama atakaribishwa kwa hizo counties zingine jinsi ambavyo amekaribishwa hapa Laikipia. Leave a comment on the comment section. What do you think the president has done? Unafikiria ni pesa imemwagika ama still Ruto is in people's heart? Leave a comment on the comment section. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's meet in our next video.